Water, the heart of our community. It's our life source, and yet at times we take it for granted. There's a seemingly endless supply. However, some members of our community still don't have access to fresh water. Luckily, there's Orange Sky.
Hi, my name's Jo West and I'm the CEO of Orange Sky Australia. Orange Sky actually was started in the end of 2014 by two young guys who were 20 years old at the time, Nick Marchesi and Lucas Patchett.
So Lucas and I started Orange Sky. So a really crazy idea one day here in Brisbane to put 2 washing machines and 2 dryers in the back of a van and simply drive around and wash and dry clothes for free. Never did we think that we'd stumble on something that hadn't been done before, a world first, and something that really connected the community, reduced transmission of really bad diseases, but most importantly, and most simply, improved the lives of others. Yeah, so this is the laundry side of our hybrid van. We've got 2 washers, 2 dryers. Clean water comes in here, our dirty water comes out. This is the back of our hybrid van. We've got our water efficient shower head that drains into our wastewater tank. We've got our basin. Both the shower and the basin have hot and cold water.
But of course, as we've got bigger, we're a bigger business. We've got nearly 1,000 volunteers. We've got 25 staff. We've got over 20 vans throughout the country. And that's quite an operation to fund.
WA's new Orange Sky shower and laundry van has just been built. This van will give those who need it most regular access to clean, hot water.
We're so excited to be working with Water Corporation to bring our next van to Western Australia to help our homeless friends in the community. Tonight, here in Australia, 105,000 people are out there and disconnected from the community, and through our amazing partnership, we can help our friends in Western Australia that are doing it tough with clean clothes, with a shower and a really awesome conversation.
This initiative is a reminder to us all just how lucky we are to have access to fresh, usable water, giving back dignity and confidence to those who need it most. Water Corporation and co-supporter Lottie West are proud to bring WA's first hybrid shower and laundry van to the heart of our community.